Yeah. Okay. This is my row. This is the wrong row. I should be in here. Yeah. Should be right here. You know? Oh, what happened? Huh, I couldn't move there for a second. Okay. What is wrong with people today? Okay. I can't afford anything right now. I'll just wait. Let's get a little boring around here, you know? I still have to get another work on the shifts. What is your back on the Wow, look what the boss did to me. Come on, guys. Do your work. No one does their work around here, seriously. Okay, they already got that one. I'm gonna stick this one right in there. I'm gonna close it up. Okay, looks like there's like a pizza back here, which is good. Oh, but still nothing. Yeah, finally a pizza. I do a lot of things by myself, but it doesn't really matter. Ooh, we got some stuff. Make sure it's all good. Yeah, okay. Good thing that both of the suppliers are doing their job. If I have to go deliver this. Ah, Jesus Christ. It's a very hard thing to do, you know. Especially just when you got loot. Ah! I shouldn't be delivering this on foot, but now it's just right up here. Well, choose. Where do you want me to go? Oh, stop doing that. Fine. Finally, okay. Here's your pizza. Yay! Yeah, I hope you do. Can I paint this house? No. I'm gonna give him like a new look. No. Okay. Back to my job. Such a lot. I'm finally back. Okay. Ah, come on, guys. You can just make whatever you want. What is this? I can open this, put this in there. What's in here? What is even in there? Are you an idiot? Seriously? Am I the only one who does work around here? Open! Ah, it got jammed. Somebody, Minnie Mouse, you be the pizza boxer. I'm done, okay? I'm gonna start making a bunch of pizzas. Okay? Let's stick both these in the oven. Still, there's nothing even in there. Okay. Then you close them both up. Then you make the other two. This can... No. Trash it. Trash it. It doesn't need us anymore. Well, these head right here. Finally, it had bugs on it. I need to make 2 cheese pizzas. No, bury that cheese. Okay, now I need to put this on there, put this on there, put this on there, and close these up. Okay, I know it's hard doing what I'm doing when we only have 15 minutes. But yeah, these pieces, yeah, these pieces look good. Okay, let's put them in there. Oh, we need more cheese pizzas. Okay. I'll keep that Mountain Dew. I guess we go out and just stick the Mountain Dew in there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 Mountain Dews. Weird. I'm working so much. But the other cook couldn't even do this. Ah! No! Don't let it be on the ground too long. Okay. Let's close them all up. Give the customers their Mountain Dew. Oh, no. It's not those Mountain Dew. And 1 more Mountain Dew. Stick that one in there, stick that one in there, stick that one in there. Nice little thing about people working, you know? Okay, so I need the first 4 pieces. Where's me? Okay, the first 3 pieces. First, these all require cheese and sauce, because that was normally on a pizza. This is pepperoni. We can just close up the bottom ones, and we need this to come down. We put all our pizzas in. We close these 2 up. Then wait for this one to get done first, because I'm stupid and I put that one in. Open it. I put the pizza in the thing. We don't want that to burn, so we open it just in time to put it in there. Yeah! I need a pizza myself. Okay. Yeah, I'm not paying $100 just for something. Or it's a bunch, okay. Mountain Dews, 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 Mountain Dew, Mountain Dew. Okay. First 3 pizzas. Okay. I'm really getting with my head here. And sausage goes on this one. Okay, so we stick a bunch of these pizzas in here. Oh, okay. Wait, in the same one? Oh, okay. I guess this works. I just have to wait very patiently. Then I'll be done. Don't wait, I'll just start creating the next 3 pizzas. Okay, it's done. First pizza, second pizza. That was a look, was a yacht. That's cooked. That is cooked. I didn't know that one out right. Where are they at? Yeah, they knew they were wrong. This is so much. dull with pieces and everything. Like, I get away from you know. Guys, you know I thought I'm single. I'll be single for the rest of my life. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna say that I quit. Because, you know, I want a different job. I can't just keep on having this. No. Open up! Open up! Okay. Get out of here. Where is he at? Where is he at? Oh, break down the door if I have to. Oh, Paul! Let me! Where is he at? Where is he at? Of course, don't want it. I guess he's sleeping. I'm just gonna I'll watch the final load. No, I don't want to die though. Yeah. Okay. Go. You're good. Dude, what you doing? Yeah, man, we're good, okay? You don't need anything else. You can go, man. What are they doing? Okay, finally. Up. Yeah, I'm gone. I'm quitting. Look at the camera.